Hi, my name is Logan Klonecke, volunteer for the Nevada Department of Wildlife. Hi, today I'll be demonstrating on how to rig up using a bullet weight. You'll have your bullet weight, your main line, barrel swivel, leader, hook, and bait. So to start, you'll want to take your main line and put the bullet weight straight down it. And by main line, I mean your line that is still connected to your rod and reel. Then you'll take your barrel swivel, do a clinch knot on one end of the barrel swivel, clinch that down, pull it nice and tight. Then go ahead and cut that tag end off. Then you want to take your leader and do the same thing on the opposite end of that barrel swivel. Clench that down, make sure it's nice and secure on there. And you go ahead and cut that tag end off, and then you'll go to the bottom of your leader and go ahead and attach your hook, again using a clinch knot. Tighten that down. And cut that tag end off. Then you could go ahead and attach your bait to your hook. There's your completed rig. The barrel swivel stops that bullet weight from traveling all the way down to the bottom of your leader. This is a very versatile rig. You could use it for trolling off of a boat. You could adjust your leader length to control how high your bait will float. Or when you're bottom fishing, have a stinky bait on there when you're hunting for catfish.
For more information on Fishing Nevada, including fishing reports, instructional videos and podcasts, as well as upcoming classes and clinics, find us on Facebook or visit us at ndow.org.